Assalamualaikum and hello to all of you. So today I would like to talk about energy that human need and environmentally friendly and could sustain. Energy that could sustain is such as solar energies, hydroelectricity, wind and also wave. But in this video I will more focus on wind energy. Wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electrical power. Wind power is a popular, sustainable, renewable source of power that has a much smaller impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. So next, I will talk a bit about background of wind energy. So the question are, when the very first wind turbine were made? Who made it? And how the use of wind power expanded all around the world? So, in 1888, the US inventor Charles Bush has created the first non-wind turbine for electricity production to provide electricity for his mansion. By 90s, approximately 2,500 windmills with a combined peak power capacity of 30 megawatts are being used across Denmark for mechanical purpose. The oil shortage of the 1970s changed the energy environment for the United States and the world. The oil shortages created an interest in developing ways to use alternative energy sources, such as wind energy, to generate electricity. On 25th of February 2019, WWEA, or World Wind Energy Association, has given a statement. It says that the overall capacity of all wind turbines installed worldwide by the end of 2018 reached 597 GW. According to preliminary statistics published by WWEA today, 50,100 MW were added in the year 2018, slightly less than in 2017 when 50,552 MW were installed. From that statistic, we can see that currently, wind energy is highly demanded by most of countries all over the world. Next, I will continue with the advantages of wind energy. So first, it's a clean fuel source. Wind energy doesn't pollute the air like power plants that rely on combustion of fossil fuels. From the statement, it proved that wind energy technology create more jobs opportunity, especially for engineers. The Global Wind Energy Council has published its annual supply side analysis 2019 report on its markets intelligence platform. According to the report, 22,893 wind turbines were installed globally in 2019, produced from 33 suppliers and accounting for over 63 GW of wind power capacity. From the number of wind turbines that have been installed, there must be many parties that has been involved through the process. So let's take a look who are involved in the wind power system. Firstly, the most important person is of course wind energy engineers. They are responsible to design underground or overhead wind farm collector systems and prepare and develop site specification. The second is aerospace engineers. Aerospace engineers are the aerodynamics experts. Their job are to focus on creating turbine blades, rotors, and assessing their aerodynamics properties. The third is civil engineers. Civil engineers' tasks are to design support structure for turbines as well as related infrastructure such as buildings and roads. The fourth is electrical engineers. Tasks of electrical engineers are to create and test the electrical components of turbines involved in creating electricity. And the last is mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are responsible to design, develop, and test the machine involved in operating turbines and wind farms.